making money as a university student is easier than you think, and I'm gonna prove it to you. So the first thing that we are gonna do is go to this board. The thing we're doing, first off, you guys should already have this, is you should have a niche. That's the first step. First step, you should already have a niche. Once you have your niche, you get to basically type it here. If it's ecom, you write ecom. And then you're gonna go to one of these. You're gonna connect with people that already are in ecom. You're gonna learn from them if you haven't already. If you have already learned, you've taken a course or you've watched your YouTube videos, then that's fine. But for our niche, we're gonna go to copywriting or script writing. I do script writing, but for this example, let's go copywriting. We're gonna go join server. This is step by step what you're gonna do. You're gonna join. Okay. So once we've joined, we just wanna go into general, or we can also check out everything, you know. But the key point in these servers is to make connections, because once you make enough connections, if you see these guys, they're hiring, you don't actually look here, proven experience in sales or team management, strong leadership or communication skills. You don't need this. You they're gonna ask you for proof, and you're just gonna send them a portfolio. But basically, the first step, you picked out your niche. Second step, you connect with people that are already in your niche, so you can learn from them. Already the server, look, there's all of this, you can learn from all of these. And they will teach you. And it's free. All of this is free, so you don't even have to spend anything. And then, the second step, what is the second step? Let me just go to my Notion, because I wrote all of this down. You can have this in the description if you want it. So the first step is to go to this board, the website. You look for whatever. You join. You learn from them if you haven't. You talk with them, and you want to talk to these. The server doesn't have it, but usually there's gonna be some higher up that. Oh, it's not here. There's usually going to be a higher up basically in all of these servers, and they probably are a senior in the server, so they know more than you. But you also want to talk with these guys. These guys are gonna be basically your friends until they're not. Okay. And after you build the connections, you just ask. You ask them for a job. And then they're gonna be like, oh, what's your portfolio? Send me your portfolio, let me see it. And then you're just gonna go to Google Drive. You're gonna go to Google Drive, this all step by step, in one go. No cuts, or I'll try not to have any cuts. But basically you're gonna go to new, you're gonna click a new folder, portfolio. I spelled it wrong. It doesn't even matter, okay? You're just gonna go to it. You're gonna right-click Google Doc. Write whatever. If you're in copywriting, I have spec pieces you can see. You're gonna have a read first, obviously, and most of my copy, blah blah blah, whatever. This is they're gonna see it and then they're gonna go, and then you're gonna go into these. These are my spec pieces. I can send you these if you want. Just DM me on Discord. But basically, whatever you learned, you want to implement it here. For this is emails. This is in my emails folder. I made an emails folder. And then this is my other job. These are all scripts that I wrote. All of these are scripts. These are all if you send this to a client, they're gonna see all of these, and all of this actually, if you look at these, all of these didn't even take me that long. Look, this is one scroll. It's literally one scroll, but they're gonna look through these and they're gonna be like, oh my god, this guy is so experienced. And if you are a good enough person, if you're good to chat to, they're not gonna have any reason to tell you no. And this notion basically it describes basically everything. Okay, so step one, let's recap on everything. Step one, you pick your niche. Step two, you connect with people in your niche. Step three, you build your portfolio, and with the people you connected to, you just ask them if they have jobs. Like the guy I'm working with, look, I'm gonna show you this. Okay, I don't have, we talked way more than this, but I don't have it, okay? But basically, every time we would talk, it would always be about a job opportunity because I kept in touch with him. I started working with this guy for free, and then it went off on something else, and then 2 months later he replied, he wanted me for a job offer again, and then now I have a job offer 20, and they're paying actually good money. So if you're a university student, you want a job because the money you're getting is not enough. You're gonna be eating carrots for the entire week. You don't want that. You want to go out, you want to have fun. It's your university life. And you obviously don't want a part-time job. You don't want to be working for 12 hours a day and then having to juggle university and work. It's just not how a person lives. So you should first of all, join the Discord, and everything's free, by the way. Everything on this channel, everything is free. Join the Discord. I send you all of these notions so that you can learn. And if you have a question, you can just ask me. I'm always here. That's it. Easy, simple video. If you're stuck on something, again, message me. Just do whatever. It's really not that hard to make money online. It's the hardest part is probably getting your first job. So just keep that in mind. And bye.